With a new wave of infections sweeping the state, living with COVID is being put to the test, nowhere more so than Newcastle.
People are revising their plans already for Christmas functions and things, and that's disappointing, given that we would like to see as much as business as usual.
150 people who attended the Argyle nightclub in Newcastle last Wednesday now have COVID-19. One took to social media to document her sickness.
What started as a fun Wednesday night out turned into me feeling horrifically sick on Saturday morning.
The Argyle House outbreak is linked to the Omicron variant. The Hunter region has soaring case numbers, with 224 new infections today, compared to just 28 yesterday.
This was always likely going to happen over the 4 or 5 years that we're going to have to be living through a global pandemic.
There were 804 cases across the state today, 4 times more than a fortnight ago. The last time numbers were this high was the 2nd of October, when the double-dose vaccination rate was 65.2%. Back then, 202 people were in ICU. Today, there are just 21. Tomorrow is Freedom Day for unvaccinated people. The Health Minister is bracing for hospitalisations to rise.
That once the unvaccinated are mixing in with the vaccinated, you'd have to expect the numbers will increase even further, and that's worrying because that puts pressure on our doctors and our nurses.
But despite the unknowns of Omicron, a big spike in cases and the Newcastle outbreak, the government is ruling out any snap lockdowns or changes to the rules.
We're not about to start backflipping on issues that we've promised the community will do.
Tomorrow, density limits will be scrapped. Masks only required on public transport and in high-risk settings. And in most places, you won't need to check in anymore. It brings the state to its final destination on the roadmap to freedom. Phoebe Bowden, ABC News, Sydney.